Oak Street Manufacturing offers 4 folding table base styles engineered to maximize flexibility, space utilization, and operational efficiency in restaurant, hospitality, and event-driven environments. These bases are ideal for operators who routinely reconfigure floor layouts, accommodate fluctuating guest volumes, or require fast breakdown for cleaning, storage, and special functions. 3 of the 4 models feature offset feet specifically designed to enable nesting. This nesting capability allows multiple folded bases to stack closely together, significantly reducing storage footprint in back-of-house areas, storage rooms, and banquet facilities. For operations where square footage is at a premium, this translates directly into better space utilization and faster room turnover. From a functional standpoint, each folding base incorporates a spider assembly with a P-lock folding mechanism that securely locks the base in the open position, while allowing the legs to fold a full 90 degrees for compact storage when disengaged. This provides staff with a fast, intuitive setup and breakdown process, while maintaining rigidity and stability during service. Offset feet height further supports efficient nesting, preventing interference between bases and allowing tighter storage configurations. Adjustable non-marring glides protect flooring surfaces while enabling fine leveling on uneven floors, which helps reduce table wobble and improves guest experience. Weighted feet add mass at the base to enhance stability and reduce the risk of tipping or movement during use, even in high-traffic dining areas. The bases are constructed from aluminum and finished with a durable black powder coat, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Aluminum construction provides corrosion resistance and long-term durability in demanding hospitality environments. Oak Street's folding bases are available in multiple sizing options to accommodate a wide range of tabletop dimensions and applications. B2626F-STD and B2626F-bar are compatible with 24x30 or 30x30 tabletops. This configuration is ideal for flexible dining layouts, patios, cafés, and modular seating arrangements. B3023F-STD, designed for use with 30x48 rectangular tabletops, is well suited for banquet seating, communal layouts, and adaptable multi-purpose spaces. This is the only model without nesting capabilities. B1936F-STD is engineered to support 36x36 square tabletops, providing a stable solution for larger dining tables or shared seating environments. Collectively, these folding bases allow operators to standardize on a single high-performance platform while maintaining the flexibility to support multiple table sizes, traffic patterns, and service formats. The combination of nesting capability, durable construction, ease of handling, and broad sizing compatibility makes Oak Street's folding bases a strong solution for restaurants, hospitality venues, event spaces, and institutional food service operations seeking long-term value and operational efficiency. Thank you for completing this module. You can learn more about our folding table bases and all our quality Oak Street products, capabilities, and resources by going to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG.